London City Line is closed. The London Underground is partially suspended between Highbury Centre and New Cross, or between New Cross Gate and Clapham Junction due to permanent engineering. The Elizabeth Line is partially suspended between Paddington and Ealing Walkway due to permanent engineering. Good service on other London Underground. BLR, other London.
Good morning, we've just arrived at Battersea Power Station and we're ready to start our shopping day. First impressions when you come into the power station, it's just really like brutalist, and you have these two large turbine halls which still have a lot of the old architecture, and they've kept all of like the rigging system and the ceiling, and it's really cool. A really stylish building.
It's perfectly refurbished, I would say, right?
Yeah,
so nice.
It's just really cool and obviously large, and the ceilings are so high. And it's not just got shops in it, there's also like residences upstairs, there's also
cinema.
Yeah, cinema, there's an arcade, there is probably a gym as well, there's even a pharmacy right here.
There are lots of cafes, there is sort of like a food court and lots of restaurants. So
yeah, we're kind of in the arcade restaurant area now, which also has the really cool feature of the control room, which I'm assuming was the original control room, and they've basically renovated it into this kind of fancy bar cafe.
Keeping the main structure, the main nice parts that were running the power plant.
Yeah.
So nice.
There's also tours that they do here, so I've seen a lot of walking tours, and they happen irregularly, and you get to then like go into different areas, so probably even like higher up walkways that I've seen here, and really learn about the history of the power plant.
I actually think that this is the best place to shop in London, because Westfield shopping malls are a little bit outdated.
Yeah.
And this is just built in such a nice way where you're like happy to come back.
Yeah. Also, the mood lighting in here, it's very dark and dim, as you can see. So I feel like quite relaxing and calm in here, and definitely a good mix of luxury and high street brands. That is enough talking for now. Let's get shopping.